Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the Crazy Baker Kitchen we're going to be doing some party food, and it's cranberry and brie pastries. These are sort of little small type of things. It's like a little nibble you can have at New Year or Christmas or just general party all year round. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. Now, this party food we're making, you can also pick it up in a local supermarket. This type of thing. Now, this is what you call cheap food. We're making quality. All you need to be buying from the supermarket are 5-inch square pastry sheets. Or just a roll of pastry. That's all you need. Need a bit of egg wash. Some brie and some cranberry. That's all you need. If you want to put anything else in it as well, bacon, etc., you can add that as well. So it's a very simple job. You've got your squares, and all we're going to be doing half of them we'll do different to the others. So we'll do some as like crowns and some as like folded over. So we'll start off with your brie. And we'll just cut a piece off and plonk it in. Just pop a bit of egg on the edges. And pop on your cranberry. And all we're going to do is just fold them over. And if you want to feel more like a party, get your little stick in and stick that in as well. And for these 6, all we're going to do is put the brie and the cranberry in, egg wash around the outside and fold them over like little pasties. So egg wash the edges. Now we're going to put our cranberry in the middle first. And then just pop a slither of brie on the top. This just makes great party food. And there's nothing like brie and cranberry. And all we're going to do is just fold them over. Just try and keep the contents inside the pastry. And all we're going to do is just give it a little push down. And just dot the top. Now I'm going to tray up these ones as well. Best thing is to spread them out so they're evenly on the tray. Now, I think you've probably seen this in a previous video. We're now going to egg wash the top. What is it with cranberry and Christmas? I've never sussed it. I like cranberry all year round. And I like brie all year round. So I don't understand why there's this combination of wanting to do brie and cranberry at Christmas. It's like turkey. You have turkey all year round, don't we? Cranberries all year round. Why don't we have Christmas Day every day? Wouldn't that be nice? All you've got to do is have a turkey on Sunday and you got your Christmas dinner. Now what we're going to do now is pop our oven on. Your oven temperature wants to be around about 200 Celsius. And you've probably seen this in a previous video of mine where you've got to leave your pastry to recover. And the same thing here, we're going to leave and rest these for 20 minutes just to recover because they've been drinking too much. Now we've rested the pastry for 20 minutes, we'll get them into the oven. And now we're going to be baking those for around about 15 to 25 minutes, give or take. It's dependent on your oven. What I always suggest is looking at them halfway through because they may need turning round. My oven's like everybody else's ovens. It seems to have a hot and a cold side for some reason. Our party bites are ready, by the sounds of it. Oh, now that's lovely. It's as simple as that, and that's your quick, easy party food. All you need is your small sausage rolls, and of course, your tray of olive-ons. All you need, the family to come round to enjoy it all. Please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, your recipe is below the video in the description, and also you'll find it on my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker Kitchen. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking, lifestyle, recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!